Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, class 10. Book will be Footprint, chapter number 2, The Thief Story. So today I am going to give you a summary of this story. So let's get started. This article is about the thief story summary from class 10 English. Ruskin Bonds, the thief story is completely more than a thief story. The story focuses on basic human value and relationship. So what this story is all about? Human value and relationship. It is easier for a thief to burgle a greedy man. What is the meaning of burgle? Means बेवकूफ बनाना. Greedy man means लालची इंसान. It is difficult even for a thief to burgle a careless and honest man. मतलब बेवकूफ़ बनाना किसको? जो लापरवाह और ईमानदार हो, उसको बेवकूफ़ बनाना मुश्किल है. A young boy became friend with Anil. Anil trusts him totally and employs him. So this thief met with Anil first time, and this Anil gave him a job at his house. Does the boy deceive his trust? The story is about a 15-year-old thief. So the thief age was 15 years old. He used to change his name every month to stay ahead of the police and old employers. So every time he changed his identity. This time he called himself Hari Singh. So this time this thief name was Hari Singh. The other person's Anil in the story is a 25-year-old writer. So Hari Singh age is 15 years and Anil age is 25. The thief one day meets Anil and asks that if he can work for him. The story discloses how the thief deceives Anil by committing theft but withdraws later on. Okay, so now in details I'll explain you. Anil was 25-year-old writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was struggling to write for earning the money to run his life. One day Anil was watching the wrestling match. He met Hari. Hari used his old formula to flatter the person. Anil impressed and promised him that he would teach him how to write, add numbers, and how to cook tasty food. Now both were living together happily. One day Hari saw that Anil had brought a bundle of notes. He saw him keep them under the mattress. Mattress means chatai. So one day what Anil brought? Bundle of notes, and he kept that money under the mattress. As Hari saw the bundle of notes, so his evil spirit aroused in his mind. He decided to rob Anil that night. So one night he decided to rob that money. After taking dinner, Anil slept calmly. Hari crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He got the notes and ran away from there. He left for the railway station to board a train to Lucknow, but he missed it. He wandered through the bazaars. It was raining and Hari Singh was completely wet. There was a conflict in his mind. He did not want to betray the faith of Anil. Moreover, Anil was teaching him how to write and add number that could transform his life. So he left the railway station. He came to the field and sat on the bench. But then heavy rain was going on. A chill wind was blowing. He felt guiltier as he had cheated an innocent person. His shirt and pajamas wedged to his body because it was wet due to rain. Hari Singh had a change of heart. He decided to return to Anil and keep the money under the pillow. He reached the room and placed the money back. The next morning he woke up a bit late and Anil had already made his tea. Anil offered Hari Singh rupees 50 saying he had earned it. He told him he would now be paid regularly. Hari kept the note in his hand. He realized that the note was still wet from the rain last night. Hari got to know that Anil had came to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness, anger, or guilt in his mind. So it means that Anil know that Hari took this money and went and came back, but still too Anil did not say him anything. This changed his mind and life. So conclusion of this thief story is the moral of the story is the human value and relations are important in life and such value can change a person too. So it was a beautiful thought of this chapter that if you have a good value, you can change a person's thought process. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.